With this coronavirus pandemic, are you finding out that you're running out of cleaning supplies? Well, I can show you how to make a homemade disinfecting spray. Stay tuned.
Hi, I'm Sherry, and this is Buddy, top dog of Lucky Dog Creations.
Hello friends, today I'm going to be making a very short, quick video. During the coronavirus pandemic, a lot of cleaning supplies are not available. So I am going to be showing you how to make a cheap alternative to Lysol spray. Now Lysol spray kills 99.9% of the germs. I am not going to be making that claim. But what we're going to be using is essential oils that all have antibacterial and antiviral properties in them. So let's get started, shall we? So the first thing that we're going to use is distilled water. We want to use distilled so we have no impurities in your spray. And I have a 20-ounce water bottle here, and you can use anywhere between 16 ounces and 20 ounces. I'm going to go ahead and fill that up and see if I can do it without making a mess. And then the first ingredient is going to be lemon essential oil. And we're going to use 10 drops of lemon oil. Lemon essential oil is antimicrobial, antiseptic, antiviral, antifungal, and it eliminates mold. So we're going to use 10 drops of lemon. And next we're going to use 5 drops of lavender. Lavender essential oil is antiseptic, antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, antimicrobial, and it also has the calming effect. So 5 drops of lavender. And then next we're going to be using rosemary oil. We're going to be using 15 drops of that. Rosemary oil is antiseptic, antibacterial, antifungal, antimicrobial, and it's perfect for a homemade cleaner. So 15 drops of rosemary. And then the last essential oil that we're going to be using is 15 drops of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is antifungal, antimicrobial, antiseptic, antiviral, antibacterial, and it also deodorizes. 15 drops of tea tree oil. And that's all there is to it. I have a little spray pump that I got with one of my bottles of fractionated coconut oil or something like that. It just happens to fit on my water bottle. If you don't have a little pump like that, you can go ahead and just buy a spray bottle from Walmart. And then you just want to go ahead and shake it up. And there you have it. You can go ahead and spray your counters, whatever else you need to disinfect. And I also want to mention that there are other essential oils that also have the antiviral, antibacterial properties in them as well. I will put the list down below And then you can go ahead, if you don't like this combination, you can go ahead, mix and match, and make it your own. If you like this video, please subscribe. Hit the little bell so you can get notices of my future videos. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments and suggestions are always welcome. I want to thank all of my viewers and subscribers. You help make my channel grow. I also want to say during this coronavirus pandemic, please stay safe out there. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.